morning, guys! So, how are you all today? I hope you're all doing fine. I know you're in ECQ in the Philippines or wherever you are. I hope you're all safe and hopefully all of you will get the vaccine. So, guys, today I am going to Mixi. That's one of the mall here in Qingdao, and I will get some stuff for my pinakbet, which is the vegetables with shrimp. So I already have shrimp paste here, bagoong. So all I need are the vegetables. So yeah, and also I think since it's summer here, we will check the clothing stores if they have summer sale. If not, we will just wait, I think. So actually, guys, if it's off season here, you can actually get a good deal for clothes. And sometimes I just wait until it go on sale and then I'll go check again. So I'll show you guys my outfit for today. So it's pretty hot outside. I checked, it's 29 degrees Celsius, which is actually it feels like 35 degrees Celsius. So I'll show you my outfit and then we'll head out. Hi guys, so this is my outfit. I'm just using my cell phone for vlogging today because it's easier to carry. So I have my mask here. I'm wearing blue shirt and then very comfortable. This is not pants, but it's like pants siguro to, pero I'm not sure what you call this. And I'm wearing my Birkenstock slippers, and yeah, and then backpack. Hi guys! So, I'm walking towards the subway. Yung subway nila dito, guys, is very convenient and it's very fast too. So, I don't need to buy like a ticket because I just use my phone to scan and then it will just deduct from my bank card. Char! So guys, ito yung sa complex pa ako, wait lang. Nasa apartment complex pa ako, so naglalakad pa si Manina. So ayan, may umbrella tayo. Itong umbrella ko, guys, is from Canada. It's been with me for maybe 3 years now. So I have my mask here and yeah, kasi maligsan to. Vlog pa more. So let's go, guys. Hi guys, so it's very hot today. That's okay. Lakad tayo. Kita nyo yan, guys, that's roses, but it's dead now kasi winter eh. Winter? Summer, so hindi siya, konti lang yung nabubuhay. Pero pag fall here, guys, or spring, it's very pretty. So yung sa Qingdao, guys, it's not as hot as Ningbo. Sa Ningbo kami dati nakatira for almost 6 years. Pero oh yeah, tas nung lumipat kami dito sa Qingdao, we like the weather here better. Kasi medyo, although it's humid, guys, it's very hot. Humid, not very hot. No, so you see that? Metro, 200 meters. That's nice. Look at that. That's the bus. I haven't tried taking the bus here, guys. I don't know how to do it, but I think it's fairly easy. That's the dome. I don't know what that is, guys. I'll ask my Chinese friends. This is like a monitor telling you that you can cross. Let's go walking. Hi guys, I'm just 1 block away from the subway. So yung, alam niyo yung experience ko sa LRT dyan sa Manila, guys, when I was still studying in the university, I always take the LRT ride going to Marikina for where my sisters live. So I usually beat the rush, but sometimes when it's like rush hour, mura kag sandwich, bari kag kagawas. Salmon. And I'm small, right? So it's so easy for me to just find my way, but sometimes when I always stand near the door so that mambak lang taba. Anyway, LRT story. But we're almost there. I'll show you what's the subway here. Hi guys. Almost there. So here's their subway. This station is called Haian Road or Haian Loop. So if you don't know, or if you're not familiar with the stations, there are map here. That's the map. I think they have in English. Yeah, they have in English, guys. Let's go closer. Yeah, they have English. So this is actually, there are 4 exits and entrance here. So I am entering entrance C. And it's line 2. Yeah, let's go. Hi guys, ito yung train station sa loob. And I just came in from their exits. So let's go. They need to scan your bags, guys, before you. So guys, we are going to exit A. That's where this the mall. So it's pretty easy to find your way here because there are signages. There's the sign going to Mayford, maps. Okay. Okay, let's go to exit A. So let's scan our phone. Hi guys, so pasok na tayo sa mall. Init kaayo. But that's the mall I am going. It's Apple Store. And yeah, pabugnaw sa ta. See you guys inside. So guys, this is H&M. Tadaan! So let's go to H&M. Sa baba is Uniqlo. May isang floor, but that's my Apple Store din doon. And Zara over there. Let's go inside, guys. Pasok na tayo. Let's see. Sometimes, guys, nagsisale sila dito. So let's check. Hi! Ayan ang outfit natin, guys. Let's see. I want something comfortable. You know what, guys? Yesterday, my Chinese friend told me it's already autumn here in China. But that's the calendar day. But actually, it's 1 month from now. So next month pa yung officially ano natin, autumn. Okay, let's browse guys. Guys, kung nakikita nyo, naglo-long sleeve na sila. Diyos ko Lord. Kainit pa sa world. This is actually cute. But it's hot. Long sleeve naman ni sila. Hindi pa. Ang sa data rin. So, mag-browse lang tayo guys first. Ayun yung sale. Kita nyo yan guys. 60 kway. Yan yung sale na. Interesting. Okay, let's go. Good looking. Hi guys. So, I'm done. I bought 2 things from H&M guys. So now, I am going to grab something from the grocery store. So the grocery store is called Olay. So I'll show you what's in there. Yes. So I am buying some bread here. So guys, let's get my vegetable. Here's the vegetable area. Let's find a bread. So guys, I'm looking for kalabasa. Tanawa ilang kalabasa. Tomato kay organic. It's expensive though. 25 coin. Like 150 pesos for this guys. It's colored. So guys, ilang batong guys? 8 kway. So like 80 pesos just for this. Kumahal oroy. Oh, this is so cute. It's 10.85. Okay guys, tanaway lang. Cheese balls will po kayo. Oreos, chocolates over there. And I'll check the milk price over there. Okay guys, so I'm looking for this. It's 5.0 fat. Looks yummy. Milk, milk, milk. They're all foreign milk, guys. Okay, guys, so they have Havaianas here. Ipanema. Ang ilaang slippers, mahal. Guys, tanaway lang napkin. It's very expensive. This one is organic and it costs 500 pesos for 12 pads. Kabuang. Hi guys, so let's go now. There's some beer here. More drinks here. Let's go. There's some snacks. Snacks. Cheese balls. Holy cow. Okay. Those are candies, guys. Let's check out. Hi guys, so I'm done doing grocery. I'm going home now. Look at my bag. So let's go get some taxi. Hi guys, so I'm going to get the taxi or Didi here in China. And uli na ta. These are my grocery. So hindi pa ako nakapag-lunch guys. So I think I'll just eat at home. I'm not hungry yet. Gihang ako. It's still hot here. Anong lunch natin guys? Okay, let's go grab a taxi. Hi guys, so we are walking to the beach. Oh yeah, you can hear the thunder. It's probably going to rain. We'll see. Hi babe, good evening. So Dan started work since yesterday. So. Walking Lakota. Okay, I'll show you where we're walking.
Yep.
Hi guys, so this is where we're walking. You can actually walk over there. That's a pathway too. But here, walang tao. Sasakyan lang. Siga ng kalsada. See, so that's where we came from. Actually, I can feel the raindrops now.
Are you sure you want to come home?
Huh?
We're right over here and we don't get it.
So guys, muli na lang. Guys, thank you so much for watching my vlog for today. And I hope you have a wonderful evening. I think it's almost 8 p.m. here in China, so we'll probably going home. And then I'll see you guys very soon. Bye bye.